What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to cover a strategy that I teach a lot here on YouTube. It's very, very simple. It's easy to manage. I'm going to kind of outline a couple of trades from today. Now, today I was on YouTube Live, so there is a video there. I was kind of going over and talking about different things, talking about prop firms, talking about trade ideas. We even caught a couple potential reversal trades here, some mean reversion trades. But all in all, it's New Year's Eve. There's not a lot of market participants, okay? You know, going back to last week, the holiday week, this week is also a holiday week. We're closed tomorrow. Realistically, guys, there's not going to be a whole lot of activity going on in the markets until, middle to end of next week. Letting the dust settle, letting everyone come back into the markets. Again, anytime you get into these type of environments where it's a big holiday week, it's the end of the year, it's whatever, right? You can't really expect price to play how you want it to play normally. Now, there was one point in time today where ranges were 45, 55 points on a 5-minute candle. That makes it exceptionally hard to manage risk. So either the trade idea, the trade setup that you took, it worked, and it worked very quickly, or you got absolutely destroyed. And it's not necessarily you, it's not the strategy, it's just there's too much volatility for you. It's hard to manage your stop loss when you're looking at potential swings on a 5-minute candle, 40, 50 points, right? But if we would have tried to stay with the trend a little bit more so than trying to go against the trend, you would have made some cash. So just looking at this chart here, this is after lunchtime, but you're going to see lower highs that have been put in. Okay. So automatically, when you start to see previous swing highs that are not being taken out, right? You have to tell yourself that if you get a setup, and this is a 20 play here. So for all of you guys who are on YouTube and you guys are interested or you guys follow the 20 play, this is your 20 play setup. Okay. What does it mean? Well, price action was previously trading over the 20 period moving average. And now on this candle, we just lost the 20 SMA. All we're waiting to do is waiting for this reason why candle to get taken out. Once a following candle takes out the reason why low, which is here, your stop loss can be one of two places. It can be the reason why high, or you can put a generic stop loss. Even in this market condition, I would have no more than a stop loss of 15, 20 points, and look for a quick scalp, right? The only reason, and this is a 34-point range candle, the only reason I'm going to risk the entirety of this reason why candle, meaning my stop is going to be above that, is if I'm trading micros. So if I was trading micros and I lost the entire reason why candle, I'm probably going to be down around $70. If I'm trading 2 micros, it's around $150. I think most traders can stomach a $150 loss. In that particular example, this example, we would be looking for close to 30 points, 25 points to the downside. So something close to a 1-to-1. Okay, that's how you would want to set that up. Now, if you're a little bit more of a scalper, and you're looking to take 5-10 points, then what you want to do is you want to get in when the following candle confirms the reason why low, and you want to have a hard take profit at 5 points. You want to have a hard take profit at 10 points. So that way, if price breaks that level that you need, you're going to get filled, and you're going to get filled very quickly. And this was a potential trade idea that worked out here. And if you look at the low price, the entry should have been below 21,278. And then we ran down to 21,269. So you could have got 5 points here. You could have got, 10 points on this move down. Now we came a lot farther than that, but if you're thinking scalp, you got to stay thinking scalp, right? So this was a winning trade here. Again, if we want to stay with the trend, as long as we are not taking out a previous swing high, we want to still stay to the downside, then this was your next setup here. This is your reason why, big range on the reason why, just like this one. However, if you're using the entirety of the reason why as your stop, you need to be on micros, okay? If you're going to scalp, you can definitely play minis, but you need to have a hard stop loss, 15, 20 points max, okay? So we're getting in here once the following candle confirms the reason why low, okay? So we get in, we take our 5 points, we take our 10 points, and we move it along. That's it. Guys, it's very simple. It's that simple. Like, is every trade going to work? Absolutely not. Are you going to take some some bumps along the road? 100%. But if you remain calm, you stick to the setup, you stick to the strategy, you stick to your risk management, and you keep your position sizing manageable, you're going to be okay, guys. Give me 30 days of trading and following the same plan. I want you guys to all come back to me in 30 days and say, hey, you know what? I really just simplified my trading. I really just got into taking one or two setups a day, and I move it along. And see what the results are. See what your win rate is. See what your consistency is. See where you can make adjustments in terms of stop losses, where you can maybe tighten it up by a point or two, or where you can maybe extend that take profit a little bit more. Let's go over it one more time before I end this video. The 20 play is any time price is trading over the 20 SMA or below it, and the potential start in a change in trend, meaning we're over the 20 SMA. Now we've lost the 20 SMA. That's your reason why. That's your reason why you're looking to jump a trade. Your entry is on a following candle that confirms the low, if it's short, of the reason why. So as soon as it breaks that price, you're short. Two ways to trade it. You can use the entirety of the reason why candle as your stop, trade micros. You can also scalp it with minis, 5 or 10 point take profit max, 15, 20 point stop loss max. Take 50 trades, take 100 trades, see how well you do. Simplify your trading, okay? This is called the 20 play. Nothing special, nothing revolutionary about it. Very, very simple. Gives you reasons to take trades, gives you technical stop losses, and gives you something to focus on, meaning you're waiting. This is gonna teach you a lot of discipline, because when you see candles like this going down, you want to jump every new candle. And sometimes you can't withstand the volatility. Sometimes you jump this candle here and it pops on you and you get stopped out, and you do it again and it pops on you and you get stopped out. This is going to teach you to wait for legitimate technical setups. Even this is a technical setup here. I don't love it because it's going against the trend. I would rather buy off the floor, but it is a setup, right? This is a setup long. Now, try to stay with the trend. Previous swing high, previous swing high. This is telling me stay short, right? Stay short, okay? Until we break a previous swing high, then maybe we can be thinking long. I hope this video helps. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day, you can join my community, get access to my courses, get access to the live trading, get access to one-on-one mentorship. We do weekly calls, we do daily calls in the room. Again, that link is down in the description box below. Make sure you guys have a safe New Year's Eve. Also, guys, Happy New Year. I will see all of you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out of here. Catch you guys next time.